Hello students, today I am going to teach you chapter number 3rd and my topic is divisibility test or also called that rules of divisibility. There are 11 rules and the first one is test of number 1. What is that? All number are divisible by 1. All number, whatever number you have, that are divisible by 1. How? Because all number, when we divide all number with 1, always they can divide. For example, I am taking here the example of any number. When we divide both number by 1, is it divided? Yes. The both number is fully divided by 1. Just see here 4312. When we divide this by 1, 1 4s are 4. Then next 1 3s are 3. Then next 1 1s are 1. Then next 2 2s are 1 2s are 2. And getting here the 4312. That means this number is divisible by 1. All the numbers are divisible by 1 because 1 is the factor of all number. Then second one is test of number 2. All numbers with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place. Any number whatever I have given to you, the ones place digit of that number is even number. That means that number is divided by 2. For example, if I am taking here 4, 6, 7, 8. This is ones place, tens place, hundred place and thousand place. Check the ones place digit. Ones place digit is 8 and 8 is even number. That means this number is divisible by 2. Okay. The next is test of number 3. If the sum of digit of number is divisible by 3, means whatever number you have to take, the sum of the digits of that number is divisible by 3. For example, taking here an example and then understand. Example for number 3, I am taking here 165. Sum of all digits of this number. All digits are 1 plus 6 plus 5. Add these, getting here 6 plus 5, 11, 11 and 1, 12. Divide this by 3. Exactly divided. That means 165 is divisible by 3. Then next is divisibility rule for number 4. What is the rule? If the number formed by last 2 digits is divisible by 4. Whatever the number you have to given, last 2 digit is divisible by 4. That means that number is also divisible by number 4. Just see here, I am taking here example of 2044. Last 2 digits are 44. Last 2 digit means the on ones place digit and on tens place digit. Both digits are 44. You have to divide this by 4. Getting here 11 quotient and fully divided. There is no remainder. That means this number 2044 is divisible by number 4. Then next is divisibility rule for number 5. If the digit in its ones place is either 0 or 5. Whatever number you have to given, the ones place digit of that number is either 0 or 5. That means that number is divisible by 5. Just see here. If I am taking here the example of number 5, 540. And next one is 355. Check the ones place digit. This is ones place. Ones place digits are 0 or 5. If the ones place digit is either 0 or 5, that means that number is divisible by 5. That means 540 and 355 both are divisible by number 5. Next is divisibility rule for number 6. For finding the divisibility rule for number 6, first of all you have to check the divisibility rule for number 2 also and number 3 also. If both the divisibility rule is satisfied for both number 2 also and number 3 also, that means that number is divisible by 6 also. Just check what is the definition given here. The number should be divisible by 2 and 3. That means whatever the number given to you, that number is divisible by 2 also and by 3 also. I am taking here the example of 1, 4, 7. Instead of 7, I am taking here something else. Just see here 156, taking here again. 6 is even number. So check divisibility rule for number 2. Number 2 means on ones place digit, number all the digits are even. This digit is even digit na? This is number 6. That means this number is divisible by number 2. After that, on adding this, we are getting here 12. 12 is divisible by 3. That means this number 156 is divisible by number 2 also and number 3 also. That means that number is divisible by number 6 also. Okay, when you have to find the divisibility rule for number 6, you have to find the divisibility rule for number 2 also and for number 3 also. If that number is divisible by 2 also and 3 also, that means that is also divisible by number 6. Then next, divisibility rule for number 7. What is here? Test of number 7 is double the digit on its ones place, subtract this number from the number formed by the rest of the digit. Whatever the number given on, whatever the digit given on ones place, you have to double that and then subtract that with the rest of digit, then getting the answer that is divisible by 7. That means that number is divisible by 7. Just check here, I am taking here example of 497. Ones place digit is 7. Double this number, getting here 14. Rest number are 49. Subtract this number by 49, getting here 35. Now divide 35 by 7. Is it possible? Yes, 7 5s are 35, exactly divided. That means this number 497 is divisible by 7. Then next is divisibility rule for number 8. What is the rule? If the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Whatever the number given to you, last 3 digits, if divisible by number 8, that means that number is divisible by 8. For example, I am taking here the example 2176. But what is the rule? If the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Last 3 digits are 176, means on place of ones, tens and 100. Divide 176 by 8. 8 2s are 16. Getting here 16. Again 8 2s are 16. That means this number is exactly divided by 8. That means 2176 is also divisible by 8. Then next is divisibility rule for number 9. What is the rule? Rule is if the sum of digit is divisible by 9, whatever the number you have to given, the sum of digit of that number is divisible by 9, that means that number is also divisible by 9. For example, I am taking here the example 1, 2, 6. Add all digit of this number. We are getting here 6 plus 2, 8 and 8 and 1, 9. Now divide this 9 by 9. Is it exactly divided? Yes. That means this number 126 is divisible by 9. The next rule is for number 10. That is simple. If the digit on ones place is 0, that means that number is divisible by 10. For example, 4, 5, 6, 0 and 7, 8, 0, 0. Both number having 0 on their ones place. That means these both number are divisible by 10. The next divisibility rule for 11. What is the divisibility rule for 11? If the difference between the sum of the digit in odd and even place is 0. Here odd and even place. Now you have to check the places. Just check here ones place, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. Which are the even places and which are the odd places? Check that. This is the first one, that means this is odd. This is the second one, that means this is even. Third place, that means this is odd. Fourth place, that means this is even. Now taking any number here, I am writing this in circle because these are the places. I am taking here the example 121. Now what you have to do, if the difference between the sum of the digit in the odd and even place. Odd places are this, ones and 100. Sum of odd places. Check the digit. Here is 1 and here is also 1. Add these two digits here, getting 2. Now on even place. On even place, here the tens and 1000. On 1000 there is no any digit, and on even place tens, here is one digit, that is 2. Now find the difference of both. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. That means this condition is fulfilled here. The sum of the difference of the both the places is 0. That means that number is divisible by 11. That means 121 is divisible by number 11. This is all about the divisibility rule. I hope you all understand better. Thank you and have a nice day.